Hey everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove contacts from Facebook Messenger using a few simple steps. So, let's dive in. First, let's turn off contact uploading. Open the Messenger app on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the three horizontal lines to open the menu. Now, go to Settings at the top. Scroll all the way down and open Accounts Center. From there, tap on your information and permissions. Next, select Upload Contacts and choose your Messenger account. You'll see the Contact Upload option. Tap on it and turn it off. Now, let's remove the contacts that were already synced. In the same section, tap on Manage Contacts. Messenger will open a browser page showing all saved contacts. Here, tap Delete all contacts to remove them permanently. And that's it. Your Messenger contacts are now under control. If this helped you, give the video a like, subscribe for more easy tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.